Hello everyone. Today we are going to make an amazing project. Amazing project you can make easily with these objects. What you need? That you need a 9-volt cell. Here it is. You see, this is the 9-volt gold extra heavy duty battery. It is from Nipo, right? This is a 9-volt battery. You can see here 9 volt, and this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. The positive terminal is red color and the negative terminal is the black color, right? First you need this one. After that you need a buzzer. You see, this is a buzzer and you can see that this buzzer is a very good one and it is a buzzer. Now we are trying to make whether they are in proper condition or not. For that we need a continuity tester, and for that continuity tester we will test whether these objects are in perfect condition to work with or not, right? Now see how we are checking all these objects with these quantity testers, right? If it is in perfect condition, then the light will glow, otherwise the light will not glow, right? Let us see how it works. Now first we will see whether this buzzer is in perfect condition or not. First we will see this one, right? Now see what we are going to. Now see this one. Let us see here. We are going to make this one. You see here, this is the buzzer, and we check whether this buzzer is in perfect condition or not. This is the positive terminal and this is positive, and touch the positive with the negative terminal of this one. Yes, it is in perfect condition, it is working, right? And besides that we need a switch, and we can use various types of switches. Here we will take the switch as let us take one switch which will work with it, and we need some connecting wires. You see here we have taken some connecting wires, right? And we need a switch also to make a model very easily with this buzzer. And not only that, we need an LED also. Let us take an LED. Here you see, this is an LED, right? We will make use of this LED also. And besides that, we can take other types of some equipments like a switch. Here you see, we are taking a switch. Here you see, we are taking a sliding switch, and now see how we are going to make this project. Here there is another switch, and this is a switch of push and pull. You can use this one also, right? And now see how we are connecting these wires with these different objects to make a model very easily. You see, this one we know that this is positive, the red one is positive and the black one is negative, right? We are taking one positive wire. You see, this is it represents red, means positive, and another will take a black wire and that represents negative, right? Here you see we are taking the black wire and it is negative, right? Now you see how it is how we are using this to make a very simple model, right? How, right? Now you see how we are connecting these wires with these. Let you see here that this is the positive terminal of the battery and this is red in color, and connect this with this wire, right? Yes, we connected this positive with the red one, right? And I will connect this negative wire with the negative terminal of the battery. Right? Now you can see that you can use this wire, this positive, and we use a switch in between them, right? Let us use this switch, and this is, this is a push and pull switch. You see here, let us take this switch, right? After that, before putting the switch, we can check the switch whether it is in perfect condition to work with or not. Let us check. Yes, it is in perfect condition, the light is glowing, that means the switch is in okay condition. We will check the LED also whether it is in perfect condition or not. Let's see whether it is working or not. Let's see. Yes, it is working, that means this LED is also in okay condition, it will work, right? Now we are taking this switch and we can put a switch here in this way. I am putting the switch right here, this is the switch. Now with this switch we use another red wire, a positive wire, to make a circuit, right? You see, we are taking another wire that is red in color and put this switch here in this way, right? Now what you have to do, to take this buzzer. You see, this buzzer is the red color, the red where is the positive terminal, therefore we are taking the positive terminal and we will, yes, right? In this way we can make this one a buzzer, and with this you can see we are putting a LED with a series connection with it, right? And for that you have to take another wire. Let us take another wire, and this is black in color, right? This is black in color, and we are using this black wire. You see, we are using this black wire, right? And we check whether it is working or not, right? This black wire is connected with this black wire, this is, and it is connected with the negative terminal of the battery. You see, we will connect it with this one. You see this one, and we connect this LED also in series connection, and let's check whether it is working with it or not. For that we need another wire. Let us take a red wire and we will connect this one with this one. Now see, I make an very easy model with this buzzer, and this is the switch. Now if you switch on, the buzzer will make sound, right? Let's see whether it is making sound or not. Right, it means this is in okay condition, and we'll try if we put a LED in series connection, it is working or not, that we are going to check it, right? Let's see whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working. You see, both the LED and the light, both the this one LED and that buzzer is closed at a time, right? And we have checked all these with the help of a continuity tester, and you see this is working very easily. And you can see what we have done, that we have make a series connection with the buzzer with this LED. That means whenever we switch on this switch, then this LED and buzzer will glow simultaneously. That is our project, right? Now see whether it is working or not. Right, it is both are working in perfect condition, right? In this way you can make various types of projects for science. How we have made it, let us discuss once again. This is the our cell. This the red one is the positive terminal of the battery, and it is connected with a connecting wire. You see this one, right? With this connecting wire we use a switch here, right? And this switch is connected with the buzzer, positive terminal of the buzzer, and the negative terminal is connected with another LED. You see one, and they are connected in series. That means, and this terminal is connected with the negative terminal of the battery, and that is the circuit. And now whenever we push this switch, the LED and the buzzer will work simultaneously. The LED glows and the buzzer makes sound whenever we switch on this switch, right? Let us switch on the switch, and you see that the light is also glow LED, and the buzzer is also making sound. And you see they all are connected in series. Now we'll check with a motor also whether it is working or not. Let's check with the motor. If we put a motor in series connection, it is working or not, that we are going to check it, right? Let us see. The motor is not working. Let us, no problem. Then we will go again. I'm going to take this LED and put it in series connection and check whether it is working with it or not. Okay, we are putting an LED again. You see, this is the LED, this is our LED, and we're putting the LED here also to make whether it is working or not. You see, in this way you can make a model very easily for science project. Dear friends, if you want to make such type of projects, then be our channel member so that you may get special perks and benefits. In this membership channel, we are going to reveal all the magic of science. Not only that, you are getting more and more videos, and you will have an early access for those videos if you are a member of our channel. Remember that in our channel we have 3 member plan. One is silver plan, another one is gold plan, and the third one is diamond plan, right? In all these plans you will get some perks and benefits which will help to promote your YouTube channel. Not only that, we are going to give you some tips and tricks how to promote your YouTube channel. If you follow our channel and make such type of videos, your videos will be viral within few days and your channel will be monetized. Dear friends, if you want to such type of videos, then be our member, right? And if you like this video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. See how it is working. Right, in this way you can make a model very easily with an LED, a buzzer, a cell, a switch, and with some connecting wires. Right, now you can see again how we have made this one. This is the cell, this is the positive terminal of this cell, and this is connected with a wire with a switch, right? And this switch is connected with this buzzer with the positive terminal of this buzzer, right? And the negative terminal of the buzzer is connected with an LED, right? And you see, in this way you can connect this LED and let us, and you can see how the LED and the buzzer works in this way, right? And we have seen that the LED and the buzzer is connected in series, right? In this way you can make and model very easily with these objects. What we need, again you see, a switch is needed, push and pull switch, a buzzer is needed, an LED is needed, a cell is needed, and few connecting wires is needed to make this project. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.